Hello! Now we are going to learn how to recognize our instruments just by hearing. For that, we have to use the cards, we call it cards 2A, with all of these 5 instruments. And I would like to present to you that in our input, in our syllabus, you will find 5 sets. And why we did 5? Because each time you hear a file with 5 instruments, but each time is in a different order. So each time you are doing this activity with your child, choose a different one, okay? But then for you it's just one button and 5 instruments are played. While they are playing, what we need, of course, we need our sound, which I have connection by Bluetooth. I like to put speakers, sound bars on the floor because it's closer to the baby ear. And also we are preparing these cards. What I would say, while we hear the examples of instruments, I'm already preparing pictures according to the order which I see. I'm planning to use set A. This is why I already set up all of the cards in that order. So the only job I have to do is to play and to show what instrument is playing, okay? So I'm ready. That could be like this or like that, but this is not the situation when we are doing 1 second showing of the cards. So this is why we can definitely put it on the floor and then just listen and be aware of what instrument is playing right now. Hey, hello. Look what I have for you. We have drum is playing. Wow. Now it's flute. Now it's a grand piano. Excellent. Now I would like to ask you, can you choose 4 cards? Okay, so this one, this one, this one, and this one. Very good. So then I'm going to my output where I have 5 instruments which I can choose. And of course, then I'm going to press the button with instrument which is already here, okay? Okay, so my question is, very simple. Which instrument is playing? Yes, you are right. That is grand piano. Thank you so much for your good ears. Thank you.